right with the homemade soup. You know what's crazy though? He probably can't even taste the rat poison. No, I had to get my boy right with the homemade soup. You know what's crazy though? He probably can't even taste the rat poison. Oh, it's a joke.
%50 daha az yağlı enfes lezzetiyle o cips değil, Lay's fırından.
Hey, Italian man, I'm going to blow up your pizzeria with my big ass gun again.
Here, go do a little crime.
Oh wait, what the fuck? Explode your dick and small your ass. Get bent, losers. Penis blast.
That's out to spy.
No.
Huh?
Damn it.
We're one back to the
Damn
base,
it,
partner.
damn it,
This
damn it,
will
damn it,
be
damn
the
it,
last
damn
time
it,
you
damn
see
it,
a spy.
damn it.
Yeah, da. It is a good day to be another dead.
Wow, you are dead.
I am dead. My ass is
Oh,
heavy.
shit.
Huh? The Pepino is dead? Yes, I'm dead. Why is the Pepino dead?
I don't know.
I think it was a... Shh! You
are
are
dead.
dead. Okay.
What up, fellas? Who's ready for... what the hell just happened?
Pepino is dead.
The Pepino is dead?
Correct. So, did you see the murder?
Nah,
sorry, partner.
I will find him. I will capture him, and no one will ever die again.
Yeah, that's nice.
I'm damn proud.
We know. We don't know. The Pepino is dead? Ouch! Ouch! Move now! I am back, Bishop. In my medical opinion, the Pepino is dead.
Gustavo, what happened?
My professional opinion? The Pepino was killed.
Oh god, this ain't gonna be good.
I don't think there's anything to worry about.
Well, now what?
Oh, come on.
Look at this. The freaking Pepino is dead. What do you guys think about this?
Yes, Snake.
Yeah.
Go home.
Oh, come on. Oh, this is not fair. You always want me to go in. I will kill you next time.
All right, let's get back to the point. I think Pepino is dead. The
Pepino is dead?
Oh, wait, Snake, I can hear you. Oh, seriously? Who killed the Pepino?
It was me. Yes. I did it like this. Rapido. That was a joke, lads. It was you.
How did you know?
I did it. That was a joke, huh? Oh shit, I'm dead.
That's right. It was me.
You monster! But why?
Cause you're fat, boy. You're the most
Guys, stop!
ugliest man in the history of the world.
Guys,
And
you're
your
getting
pizza
so
sucks.
big.
Red gold bastard. You
It's
piece of
not
stuff. You were
funny.
trained 2,000 years of constant evolution.
Stop it.
Where the hell is
Noise!
Oh, damn it, Pepino. Ow, you are dead.
Oh, you pass! You are dead. Pasta la vista, baby. Well, that was idiotic. Off to myself. Watch and look. I am alive. Nice. Yes, this is stupid. This is right.
Yes. Huh? Huh?
Cumhuriyet bizim doğamız. Cumhuriyet bizim güneşimiz. Cumhuriyet bizim yuvamız. Cumhuriyetimizin 100. yılını gururla kutlarız.
Yes! Wanna do something foolish? You even have to ask. Yeah! More bass!
Huh? 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 Huh?